Hey, so we're in a Cessna 172 SP, and we're gonna basically run through the startup procedure. We've already done the pre-flight inside and out. It looks good. We're flying to Hemet Ryan from John Wayne. So yeah, we're ready to start up the engine. Let's just go to the checklist here. Seatbelts fastened. I'm here with my friend Cole. Brakes test and set. I'm just gonna hold them. Fuel selector on both. Fuel shutoff valve in. Circuit breakers are all in. Beacon will turn on. Avionics master switch is off. Master switch on. Throttle opened. 1/4 of an inch. Mixture idle cutoff. Auxiliary pump on. Checking for fuel flow. 3 to 5 gallons. Auxiliary pump off. Prop area clear. Clear prop! Alright, so let's turn this on. That's fine.
You turn that on or off?
Yeah, turn it on. How do you feel that?
Yeah, it's freaking jet wash.
Yeah. Alright, cool. So, master's on. Ignition will increase the mixture here, and we'll adjust the throttle once we start. Pressure's in the green. Fuel flow's good. Temperature is low. Vacuum is alright. Amp's good. We'll go through here. Mixture.